guys, I'm Mala. I'm back with another video for you guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it. I'm sorry my battery died, so I had to recharge it, and then in the meantime I relocated, hence the different setup. So today's video is about all things hair. Okay, so we are going to talk about my hair care routine, my hair care regime, all the products, all the brands, everything that I use and incorporate in my hair care routine. Again, this video is not sponsored, no brand affiliations. Like, share, subscribe to my channel please, and let's get into the video. Let's go. Since I washed it today, I thought I'll tell you what I used to wash it. This is my shampoo right now. I love the fragrance. It's literally like a milk bath, you guys. It's rightly called soy milk and almonds. The conditioner that I'm using is, so it's the same one because that's what they recommend. Even though it is supposed to go with this, I could not resist and I got all three of them, and all of them smell so amazing. You guys, it is wow. It's called Mythic Oil. I shoot every day and my hair gets either straightened or curled or toned or crimped or blow dried every single day, and you really need conditioners and heat protection products and serums, because you gotta give your hair some loves. So this is one. The other one is henna and blackberry. And this one says for dull, dry, lifeless hair. Yes, who doesn't have those? Vibrant hair with brilliant shine. I don't know if they live up to every single claim that they put on the box, but oh my god, it smells great. I just got some on my nose and boy, it was totally worth it. And the third one I have already shown you. This one is your soy milk and almonds, and I did not sniff it yet, so I'm gonna do that now. Oh my god. So there's this candy, it has a golden wrapper. Please tell me in the comment section if you know the name of this. I cannot remember. It has a golden wrapper, it has a big almond drawn on top of it, and that's it. There's nothing else on the packaging. What is that candy, you guys? It used to be my favorite when I was like 3 or 4 years old, and I really want to know what it's called, because the way this smells, it's like I'm back there. I'm 3 all over again. I look like some sort of an addict who's like but you guys, smells amazing. I'm gonna move on to other products that I use. Okay, now let's go to serums, because they are also very important. These are the 2 serums that I'm using right now. This one, the first one, this is called Mythic Oil, and it is, how is it that all these hair products smell like they should be eaten? I mean, it's delicious. It's almost like gub 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 gub. It is amazing how yummy they smell. Okay, very nice serum. And this one is from Body Shop. It's called Wild Argan Oil. Argan oil is very good, guys. For your hair, argan oil is awesome. The Radiant Oil for hair and body with community fair trade argan oil from Morocco. So Moroccan argan oil is obviously the best amongst all argan oils, and that is what they claim here on their packaging. And the great thing about this is that it's in spray form. So it's basically, you see, and oh my god, what's it with these guys and their fragrances? So I am going to put my hair in front, and the best place to put your serum is the ends of your hair. They are the most dry and in need of serums. My hair is happy. The rest you can just put in the entire length. My hair is happy. Happy seeing. Okay. I do go in for hair spas and I do a lot of oiling. I love castor oil and I love nariyal ka tel, coconut oil. For a second I was like, nariyal ko kya kehte hain? So coconut oil and castor oil, mix them and put them in your hair and go like chumpy, and your hair will thank you for that. Also, I do like to mix in almond oil also sometimes, but definitely coconut and castor are my definite go-to for my chumpy. The one I'm using right now is Parachute. Bachpan ki yadein. Parachute 100% pure coconut oil. The castor oil that I have been using is this one. This is the one that I have bought because this is almost over. So I'll read the packaging. It's Morpheme Remedies castor oil, pure cold pressed oil, no mineral oil, paraben, sulfate, silicone, colors and fragrance. So it looks quite pure and natural. And another staple in my hair care routine is my heat protection mist. So you can use any heat protectant as long as you're using one. I use a mist. This one is Toni & Guy Heat Protection Mist. I love freshly washed hair. We all love freshly washed hair, but sometimes we do not get enough time to wash them. And that is why dry shampoos were invented. Now, I'm not recommending using them every single time because they can build up a lot of residue on your scalp and that's not good. But every now and then they come super handy. The first one is this L'Oreal Professional Paris Fresh Dust Force 1 Techni Art. The other one is this Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo, Fruity and Cheeky Cherry. If there's anything you want to ask me or tell me, or any ideas for future videos that you want to give me, please comment. I love making videos for you guys, and also please in the comment section let me know what videos you want me to make and I will immediately get onto it.